Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA A Plus Code 2. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on CompTIA A Plus Code 2 is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent touchpad or pointing device issues? Your answer should be to troubleshoot intermittent touchpad or pointing device issues. I would first check the touchpad hardware and connections, including the touchpad cable and connector, to ensure they are properly connected and not damaged. Next, I would update the touchpad drivers and check the touchpad settings in the operating system to ensure the touchpad is enabled and configured correctly. Additionally, I would check for any background applications or processes that may be using the touchpad and causing conflicts and disable or close them if necessary. If the issue persists, I would consider testing the touchpad on a different computer or using a different pointing device to determine if the problem is with the touchpad or the computer's hardware or software configurations. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of an IP address in networking and how it helps devices communicate on a network? Your answer should be: an IP address, Internet Protocol address, is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It serves as an identifier for the device and allows other devices on the network to locate and communicate with it. IP addresses facilitate the routing of data packets between devices on a network, enabling seamless communication and data exchange between computers, servers, routers, and other network devices. Our next interview question is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent overheating issues such as sudden shutdowns or high temperature warnings? Your answer should be: to troubleshoot intermittent overheating issues, I would first check the computer's cooling system, including fans, heat sinks, and air vents, to ensure they are not obstructed by dust or debris and are functioning properly. Next, I would monitor the computer's temperature using hardware monitoring tools and check for any abnormal temperature readings that may indicate overheating. I would also consider adjusting the computer's power settings to reduce CPU uses and heat generation and ensure adequate airflow around the computer by positioning it in a well ventilated area or using external cooling solutions such as laptop coolers or additional case fans. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a host-based intrusion detection system (HIDS) in cybersecurity and how it helps detect and prevent security threats? Your answer should be: a host-based intrusion detection system (HIDS) is a security solution installed on individual computer systems or servers that monitors and analyzes system and application logs, file integrity, and network traffic to detect and prevent security threats and unauthorized access attempts. It helps protect against malware, unauthorized access, and data breaches by identifying suspicious activities and anomalous behavior on the host system, such as changes to system files, unauthorized user logins, and network communication with known malicious entities. HIDS solutions often include features such as real-time threat detection, log monitoring, file integrity checking, and system hardening capabilities to enhance host security and mitigate security risks. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.